We just had a remarkable conference called The Power of Connections, Harvesting Lessons Learned and Strengthening Coalitions for Amazonian Conservation. We brought together conservation practitioners, indigenous leaders, et cetera, from across the Amazon to talk about what's working in terms of conservation.
The key takeaway, we cannot save the Amazon alone. We need to build coalitions to achieve our goal.
We know what a lot of the problems are. We know about deforestation, we know about fires, but what's happening on the ground that's working? So we had a conference where first we brought in experts from Brazil, from across the Amazon, indigenous leaders, scientists to talk about what the key issues are. Then we held a 2-day summit with 80 practitioners to talk about what is working. They shared examples of actions on the ground that are contributing to conservation and to human well-being.
It's incredible, the group of people that are in this space. But not only the experience, but the love for what you do and the love for the Amazon is incredible.
And you can see what happens when you bring together experts, people who are doing remarkable work, put them together and get out of the way and let them talk about what needs to happen and how it's going to happen.
We did a lot of things, you know, and it's amazing to look back and to see what we produced in 4 or 5 days. It is outstanding, you know, and it's just proved the power of connections.